Hello, I'm Judith Shuttleworth. Today I'm going to show you quickly how you can steal somebody else's video from YouTube and upload it onto your own channel so that you've got your own link to give to other people. This is really important that you're not giving out other people's links to their channel if you're selling something, so that you can keep your branding consistent. You can also add a clip in at the beginning, a bit like I'm doing today. So where you're speaking and you make it your own before you lead into somebody else's video. And at the end, I'm also going to show you quickly how you can create your own branded thumbnail that sits over the top of that video in YouTube. And we're going to do that in Canva. So let's jump straight in. Okay, so as you can see, we're on my YouTube channel. We're going to take one of my videos and I'm going to show you how to make it your own. So let's just choose anything. It doesn't matter. This one will do. CFX, how Richard Maud built his $1 billion business. So we'll just pause it so we don't have to listen. Just scroll down to underneath the video and click on this share tab here. That's going to bring up the link. So we're going to copy that. And then we're just going to go straight over to the YouTube MP3 converter. Now, the one I use is called YT MP3. There's lots of these different free softwares where you can convert YouTube videos to MP4s. And we want to click on MP4. So we're going to copy and paste the URL that we've just copied into there. It's really this easy. You might find one that's better than this, but this is just one that I've always used. It's easy, it works. Convert. It's checking the video to make sure it's not corrupted. And it's happy with that. So then we just don't go to the buttons below. This also takes you to a lot of kind of spam sites, these softwares. So just be careful what you're clicking on, please. You go to this download button here and you click download. Now, as soon as you do that, you can see that it's downloaded it straight away. I'm just going to save it to my downloads. And let's just have a look. Once it's there, it should go in my downloads. Let's have a look. Here we go. How Richard Maud. You can see I've done it before. So anyway, we can take that one or we can take the other one. It doesn't matter. But you can see down here on the right, it's an MP4. And that can upload then in that format straight to YouTube. So let's just go back to YouTube again. We then come up here, we go back to my channel and we can upload it up here. So into create, and you know how to do that. It's nice and easy. Then you upload it and you've got the video and you can have your link to give out to people. Now, as you can see on my channel, I've got quite a lot of mine. I've done my own branded thumbnails. You know, it's got my face, it's got my logo, whatever it's got on there. So I'm going to show you quickly in Canva how to do that. Now, obviously, like this one, I didn't put one on. I mean, it was fine. I wanted to do it quickly. I didn't have time to do a thumbnail. So I just left one of the screens that it offers me as an option when I uploaded it. But if you go over to Canva, I use a free Canva. I do a lot of my images for social media and everywhere in here because I can brand them. I actually have a YouTube thumbnail kind of section where I just keep adding to them, and sometimes I adapt the ones that I've already done. But you can see, you know, I brand most of them. And what you want to do to create this to make sure that it's the right size, and that's why I've kind of named it this, so that I don't have to resize it every time. So it's 1920 by 1080 pixels, and I'll just show you how to create that from scratch. So go back to your home screen, design anything, over here at the top right, it'll say custom size. That's where you want to go, because that size is the perfect one for YouTube. So I think it was 1920 times 1080. And we want pixels. We don't want inches, millimeters, or centimeters. We definitely want pixels. That's the right size for YouTube. And then you just click on create a design. And then usually what I do is, if I'm doing a whole lot, so, you know, I can just go back then to that file. I will call it up here, you know, maybe YouTube 1920 by 1080 pixels. So, you know, I actually remember when I download. And then, you know, you just build it out however you want it. I've got a lot of images and things uploaded in here to choose from. So, you know, you can add text, you can add an image, you can add your own logo. So, for example, if, you know, we were going to put this on the front, we'd add one of my images. You know, I might want to resize it. And then we might want to add some text to say something about what the video is about. I'm not going to show you everything about how to do a design today, because I have done that before. So if you just scroll through on my channel through, you know, some of my videos, you'll find a video there showing you how to use Canva. But basically, when you download that and upload it to the thumbnail section, when you're loading your video, that will be the right size and in the right place. And yeah, you can brand it and make it your own. So good luck with all of that. It's very easy though.